Steve, Matt, guys, where's Tom? I don't have anyone to keep me on track with this. So again, welcome to the EIZO booth. So we make the monitors with the IP decoders built in. Here's our 27-inch version. Simple setup here. Just a network cable and a power cable. Once you got that connected, it's on the network, it's pulling the video streams, it's displaying everything live. In addition to the all-in-one solution, we also have it in a standalone decoder. This standalone decoder is powering two 4K monitors. Size doesn't matter with the monitors, just 4K or HD. But the key here is you can decode and display 32 streams of video at any time. And it can do it without loss of drops of frames, without any motion artifacts. It's really a very elegant but yet simple solution to display the live video. So once you have it on the network, how do you control it? This is an example of our integration together with Genetec Security Center. As you can see here, we have the two 32-inch monitors here. We also have the 27-inch monitor. So simply from Genetec, you can control what cameras are being displayed, where they're being displayed, what the setup is. So we could literally change this setup just to be for cameras, or we can make it 32 cameras. Users have a really easy time of managing everything remotely, wherever the device is. So again, simply, it's a device within the logical tree. You just drag and drop the cameras straight to wherever you want them displayed. If you ever want to see more details on this, we can offer a live web demo, either with Genetec, Milestone, or other VMSs that we have the integration together with. And now let's talk a little bit about cybersecurity. That's been a really hot topic here at the show. Most of the people who come in want to talk about how has EIZO managed a lot of the cybersecurity new requirements that they're facing. So one of the key things that we always tell everyone is our devices are using a Linux embedded platform. So that already takes care of some of the traditional issues you have with putting a Windows box on the network edge. But then if we get into really the nuts and bolts of the cyber aspects, our solution, you can enroll this into an Active Directory platform. So LDAP-S, for example, is a big requirement we're seeing. Our devices are supportive of that. You can enroll them, and that eliminates the user credential. So when we get into like that zero trust environment, this helps with that, because now we're simply just logging into your instance, and you already have the credentials to manage our solution, whether it be through the web user interface or other interfaces of a VMS or other clients. We also have signed certificates, or a self-signed or either certificate authority signed certificates, where users can deploy them between camera and decoder, between workstation and decoder, or any other device. The rationale for this is our decoders are pulling video and pulling data, meaning API codes or other interaction with the devices, straight from those devices. So you can harden the solution by having the certificates on both sides. The other unique aspect here is that you can do IP address filtering. So that way if someone's trying to come into the device where they should not have access, we can filter those addresses out. Because our device also has USB ports, you can actually de-electrify those ports using our remote tools. That way nobody can plug in a keyboard, a mouse, or a memory stick. There's no way of getting information in or out of our box when it's deployed on the network edge. So it truly can become a fully locked down solution to where users can't get into the network through our device. So we also offer some additional cybersecurities with 802.1x and a number of other options. So if you would like to get into a little more details on how we implement, what exactly some of our specific details are for these hardenings, please give us a call. We're here to help. We can pop up a web demo so you can see it in action. So what we have also is our VX-VS1 video optimization solution. What this solution does is fairly unique in the market. It will receive video back from a computer or its source over the HDMI line. It'll see that video coming in. For example, this video here is very dark. There's not a lot of detail. What our box does is it will optimize the video, pulling out the subtle details that are hard to see. So for users in transportation or utilities, other mission critical applications, you can really bring out the subtle details of the image and display those where they may not be visible on other solutions. This is an example of a hydroelectric plant. You can't even see the plant here, but here you have all that visibility.